My name is Midshipman Justiniano Eroy, roll number 26. Fishing vessels. Letter A. A vessels engaged in fishing, whether underway or at anchor, shall exhibit only the lights and shape prescribed in these rules. Letter B. A vessels when engaged in trolling, by which it means by dragging through the water of a dredge, net, or other apparatus used as a fishing appliance shall be exhibit. Letter B, number 1. To all around lights in a vertical line, the upper being green and the lower white, or a shapes consisting of two cones with their affils together in a vertical line, one above the other. Number B, letter 2. Letter B, number 2. A masthead light above and higher than the all-round green light. A vessel less than 50 meters in length shall not be obliged to exhibit such a light, but may do so. Letter B, number 3. When making way through the water, in addition to the lights prescribed in this paragraph, side lights and stern lights. Letter C. Vessels engaged in fishing other than trolling shall exhibit. Letter C, number 1. When two round lights in a vertical line, the upper being red and the lower white, or a shape consisting of two cones with a fix together in a vertical line, one above the other. Letter C, number 2. When there is outlining gear extended more than 150 meter horizontal from the vessels, and all white lights or a cone affixed upwards in the direction of the gear. Letter C, number 3. When making way through the water, in addition to the lights prescribed in this paragraph, side lights and the stern lights. Letter D. The addition side signal light described in Annex number 2 to this regulation apply to a vessel engaged in fishing in close proximity to other vessels engaged in fishing. Letter A. A vessels when not engaged in fishing shall not exhibit the light or shape prescribed in these rules, but only those prescribed for a vessels of her length.